Wow.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Let's go ahead and get into this brow routine, y'all, because y'all have been asking me and I promise all the time that I'm gonna do it, and guess what? I never do it. So let's do it. I went ahead and did this eyebrow off camera so that we're not here for 30 minutes, okay? First, we're gonna start off by brushing all of our eyebrow hairs up. I like to start here where my eyebrow hairs tend to get darker and leave this like faded part for the end. And we're just going to draw underneath. Next, we're gonna brush the hairs down. Outline the top as well. Now that I've outlined my natural brow shape, I'm going to brush all the hairs in the direction the hair actually goes. In the front, I'm gonna go ahead and start giving it hair-like strokes. Working my way to the tail of my eyebrow. Again, hair-like strokes, this time much lighter than we were when we were filling in the main part of our brow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and draw a very faint line under here as well.
Okay. They're looking like sisters, but I want them to look like twins, so.
And the reason I'm using the spoolie to like brush as I go is just to get any excess product out, as well as blend it throughout the brow. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean them up. I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape and a nice flat brush. And I like to start in the middle of my brow, and then we're just going to draw a line. And then you're gonna take your concealer. You're gonna stake your concealer. Okay. And take your concealer and just bring it all over your eyelid. Let's blend. You never want such a harsh line, so what you're gonna do is pull the product down. I'm gonna take any foundation to clean up the top. And the reason I'm gonna use foundation instead of concealer is because I don't want that harsh white line. For this, I'm gonna use a smaller brush, still flat. I'm just gonna blend this again and make sure there's no creases, because now we're gonna set it. I'm gonna take my infamous Infallible. Chop! Chill out. Then I like to go back with my brow wiz and just go over any spots that look like they aren't making the eyebrow perfect, or if concealer got on it. Next, I'm gonna take this NYX No Filter Finishing Powder just to give my eyelid some color. I'm gonna take that same brush that I used for my setting, and I'm just going to pack it on. Lastly, I'm going to set my brows with my Anastasia brow gel. If you want to add some highlight, feel free. That's it, y'all. Here you have it. Here are my brows. And I hope this was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. Make sure that you subscribe, and if you want to, hit that bell button so that you're always notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Make me wanna buy this and say.
I did these braids myself, y'all. Like, I've been just learning, okay?